Hey everybody, welcome out to Emerald's Garden here. We're looking at the basil, checking it out. Some of the tomatoes, the flowers, seeing all what we got back here. See what we can harvest today. We did some peppers earlier. So where I'm located is at my son and my daughter-in-law's property. We kind of encouraged them to do some gardening a couple of years ago, and they seen just how much food that you can harvest from your backyard, and it just kick-started them to keep doing it. So we got a bunch of basil here that's already sent up a lot of flowers. We popped some tops off of here, and got quite a few Mariglobe tomatoes. I believe they have a couple Romas along inside here, some cherry tomatoes in the corner, little cherry tomato in the back. It's called a Tiny Tom, mainly called a porch potato, or tomato, excuse me. Quite a few peppers in different areas. There's a lot of flowers in here for pollinators that I can see. Quite a few indeterminates back there that are growing pretty well. But for the most part, I mean, the garden's looking really good. We did a bunch of pruning this morning. When I first got here, we picked quite a few peppers to harvest and save. What they're wanting to do with their tomatoes this year is make homemade spaghetti sauce and possibly some barbecue sauce, right? So yeah, so if there's some ideas that you have with your garden that you normally do, you know, post them down in the comments. Let us know. We like sharing information with people, see what other people's thoughts are about this stuff. And if there's something that you want to look at that we have here that you haven't thought about trying, you got questions, go ahead and put them down there and we'll answer you back. Stop.